Shell expansion in subprocess? Possible duplicate, Python subprocess wildcard usage. Using the Python 2.6 subprocess module, I need to run a command on src.rpm file that I am building with a previous subprocess call. Unfortunately, I am working with spec files that are not consistent, so I only have a vague idea of what the file name of the src.rpm should look like. For instance, I know the name of the package and the extension in something named package version src.rpm, but not the version. I do know, however, that I will only have one src.rpm file in the directory that I am looking, so I can call mock with a command like mock options.src.rpm and have it work in shell, but subprocess doesn't seem to want to accept the expansion. I've tried using shell equals true as an argument to subprocess.call, but even if it worked, I would rather avoid it. How do I get something like subprocess.call mock.src.rpm.split to run?
Use the glob package.
The wildcard has to be interpreted by the shell. When you run subprocess.call, by default it doesn't load a shell, but you can give it shell equals true as an argument.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.